If you ignore your skin, your face will take revenge. Ever wondered why pimples suddenly show up like uninvited guests? Between ages 12 to 18, your skin's oil glands explode with activity, and that's the perfect warm, luxury hotel for acne to grow. Late nights, sweet snacks, fried food. Every time you do that, your body heats up, your pores get clogged, and a new pimple quietly rises to the surface. And squeezing them? That's the worst mistake. Your hands carry thousands of bacteria, and when you press a pimple, those bacteria rush into your skin like soldiers breaking through a gate. Especially in the danger triangle of the face, nose to upper lip. This area connects directly to the brain. One squeeze in the wrong place, and bacteria can travel upward, causing severe infections, fever, tremors. Some people have even ended up in the ICU. More than half of teenagers suffer from acne, and many scar their skin simply because they fight it the wrong way. The truth? Acne isn't just on the surface. It's a sign your body is imbalanced. To defeat it, you must control oil from the source. Sleep earlier, drink more water, avoid sugary and fried food. Keep your skin clean, inside and out. Because clear skin isn't about luck, it's about discipline. And the moment you take control, your skin and confidence finally begin to heal.